Good morning, futures traders. Today is Tuesday, December 20th. The time is 9:22. We are going to be trading the NASDAQ Open today in 8 minutes. We'll be using ShopBot Pro Legend Series, which is an automated NinjaTrader strategy. We're on the Ninja Renko 40-10 bars, and we'll be trading 3 contracts, 2 for our first entry and 1 for a runner. The software is currently turned on, and we're waiting for the open. So stay tuned. We'll let the software look for its first order, and then we'll let it run for our profit. We're on a fresh Apex account, $150,000 account, so we have some room with the trailing drawdown. So let's let the software take its first trade, and then I'll be back.
Order
Okay, the
submitted.
market is open and we are in our
Order
first trade,
canceled.
and that's a loss. So we'll let the next entry will be a DRAM, which will add a contract to the position. We have to get the market to figure out a direction right now.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled.
Okay, so that was a winner. Didn't have much of a runner, but that's fine. I do have this, I did tighten up my take profit on that order. So when DRAM is engaged, there's also a setting to tighten up your target. So I did tighten it up by, I believe, 10 ticks so that we can at least recoup some of the earlier loss. So now we're back to our regular 3 contract.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, we are now back in
Order
profit,
canceled.
$178. So we will continue shooting for today. We're doing 3 contracts, 150,000 account. We'll shoot for at least between 1,000 and 3,000 today.
Order
So
filled.
we'll let the software just run and manage our trades for us.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay, another winner there. You see we're in a sort of a consolidation period right here. So we're not getting much of a runner. So we're looking for this to get us in a trade and then really break out to either the downside or upside. So typically when it's in it pretty long consolidated period, it will break out strong. As you can see here earlier, if you look to the left in this period here, it was in there for a while and then it kind of broke down hard. So we started making a series of lower highs, lower lows, and then we're stuck in this consolidated period here. If you look back here, we were in a consolidated period here. We broke out. So we're looking for that breakout to occur, and hopefully we can get in that trade when it is doing that breakout. So it looks like we're trying to test this area right here. So we'll just let the software manager trade. It's fully automated. I'm not touching it.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay, so we hit our minimum of our profit target for the day. I'm going to let it run a little longer, see if we can get some more out of this. I'm waiting for this to break out of this consolidated period. You can see we're in a channel. So as long as we're in that channel, the software will take the top and the bottom of that channel. So let's see if we can get into a big runner here. So I'll let it run a little bit more.
Order filled. Order canceled.
Okay, so it looks like the channel is not breaking out yet. So you saw that it just took the top of the channel and just came back down. So we have some resistance here. We have some support here. So we'll just let it continue trading this channel, right? We're hitting that support level now. Let's see if it breaks through that. Normal market and price action. So not overly concerned. The market does get into consolidated periods. If it doesn't break through on this next wave, we'll take our profit, which is not bad for the day. It's the minimum of our profit target between 1 and 3,000, but we'll take it. So let's see what it does here. And if we see it pop up here.
Order submitted.
As I look at this, it doesn't look like it appear to that I have a runner set. I'm just running one contract position of 2. I thought I set it up to have a runner of 1, but I guess I did not, which is okay. Runners wouldn't have worked out anyway because of the way the price is moving right now. Looks
Order
like we hit our
canceled.
loss, so we will see if it's ready to break to the downside now and break through this level of support here. DRAM will kick
Order
it now.
submitted.
See our
Order
tighter.
canceled.
We hit it, and there it goes. There's the breakout of this area of support. So if I had a runner set, which I made a mistake on, this would have been a good trade. But again, we'll let it get back to our $1,000 target, and then we'll call it a day. We're close enough where I may stop. Always important to look at how price is reacting to specific levels. Look to your left like I did here. Hopefully this has helped you if you're new to trading. It respected this 1, 2, 3, 4 times, tried to bounce again, and then it kind of broke through it, which again, eventually it will do. Now, what this might do, again, it might do it, you can't predict it, but it may retrace back here, hit this as resistance, and then continue its downward trend, or it just may just drop. So we'll just watch and observe, and again, that's why we have our automated software to manage our trading for us. So let's see if it does a retrace here and then continues its downward trend. Doesn't look like it's going to retrace, and it's going to continue downward. We had a slight retracement here. You can see this wick. That signifies a lot of sellers. So it's a pretty long wick. So it looks like it's continuing its downward momentum. even if I did have a runner here, I would have gotten taken out from this wick. So I don't know if it was stop hunting or whatever, but it was a pretty big wick, so I would have gotten stopped out anyway. I do wish I did put the runner on, but it's okay. We're profitable right now. I may make it take one more trade. All right, after this watching the price action, I think I'm going to take this profit. It's close enough to the $1,000 target. I'm going to stay disciplined and just call it a day on this account. Wasn't a bad trade. Again, like I said, I inadvertently forgot to have a trailer, but that's okay. It worked out for us. So we are at roughly $940.24, which isn't bad for 24 minutes-ish, something like that. Hopefully you got something out of this video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're just watching and you're not subscribed, please like and subscribe. I do make at least 2 videos of my trading a week. I trade daily, but make 2 videos a week at least. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Have a great holiday season, and I will see you in a few days.